Hello, welcome to the beautiful neighborhood of Royal Heights in the city of Surrey. I am Robbie Dolly with Century 21 In-Town Realty, and today I am super excited to show you this beautiful home at 11826 100 Avenue. We are located in a cul-de-sac on nearly 8,000 square foot lot. This beautiful 2,600 square foot home is just a few blocks away from the elementary and secondary schools. Let's go check it out. When you walk into this beautiful home, you are greeted with this custom-built floating staircase. You can see here this custom-built mantelpiece made from old-growth fir from a decommissioned mill, and I accented it with a photo from Bowen Island. If you'd rather sit and relax, there's two custom-built awnings to sit in the shade while you sip your lemonade. If you're tall like the current homeowner, you'll enjoy this 6'6" custom rain shower. You'll truly feel like you're in the Amazon. Every woman has dreamt of having her own, not one, but two custom-built workshops with all the fun toys like 60-gallon air compressor, custom-built sink, and outdoor shower. Sorry guys, kitchen's in there. The best part about an outdoor shower? Private yard. Well, time for you to go. Thank you so much for watching my video today. If you would like more information, please visit my website, robbiedollyrealty.com, or give me a call at 604-315-7993.